beautiful one day, out of pocket the next, causing Christmas holiday havoc. How to make sure you get a refund on 7 News at 6 o'clock.
Tonight's 7 News headlines: elite Australian soldiers could face prosecution accused of committing war crimes in Afghanistan, including dozens of unlawful killings, all detailed in a disturbing report. More COVID rules will be relaxed for Christmas, but on New Year's Eve, those entering the CBD will need a permit. And NRL player Jack de Belin has taken the stand in his rape trial, claiming all acts were consensual. Now here's Angie with Sydney's weather.
Thanks very much, Mark. Temperatures will climb a fair bit higher tomorrow. Today also ended up being quite warm. We reached 26.7 degrees, several up on the November norm, following a low of 15.8. To our suburbs, it was a fine day all round. Tops hovered around the high 20s for most coastal spots. Penrith reached 31 degrees. Katoomba recorded 26. From the satellite, a high in the Tasman is generating northerly winds right along the coastline, so it's a very settled and warm pattern for most of New South Wales. Tomorrow you can see that northerly airstream continues, no change there, but we will see an increase in temperatures ahead of a late southerly change. Following that change, Sunday afternoon will bring a run of showers due to last for several days. The total's looking very light on the coast, only about 5 millimetres. Better figures over the Riverina and southwest slopes with closer to 20 millimetres possible. The hot weather has been and gone for most southern capitals. Adelaide remaining warm, 31 degrees, but a much cooler 21 degrees for both Melbourne and Hobart. Canberra heating up, 32 degrees, a partly cloudy one for Brisbane, 29. The statewide map shows that heat really spans most centres tomorrow, from 41 degrees forecast at Cobar to 34 degrees at Batemans Bay. The north coast will be one of the coolest places for a change. Cape Byron heading for a top of just 25. Western Sydney in particular falls into that heat zone tomorrow, so we're looking at a top of 38 degrees forecast for Penrith, 37 for Richmond, 30 will be the top at Katoomba. Terry Hill's a little bit cooler with 29. Most of the day will bring sunny conditions with the chance of a late storm in our west to break those hot temperatures. On the water, northwesterly winds will run at 15 to 25 knots before shifting in a southerly direction during the late evening on a 1 metre swell. Under those conditions, wind warnings stretch from the Macquarie coast down to Eden. In the city, it will be a warm night. 17 is the forecast minimum, followed by a very summery top of 29 degrees. Those hot conditions will ease briefly on Saturday, back to the mid-20s in the city, 29 for our western suburbs. But by Sunday, it's another day of summer-like temperatures, 29 for the city, 37 in our west. Then those showers to follow late on Sunday. But beautiful beach weekend on the way, Mel and Mark.
A hot one tomorrow.
Certainly is.
Thank you, Angie. That is 7 News for this Thursday. We'll have updates for you throughout the evening. I'm Ferguson from all the team. I hope you have a great night.